How to delete my Telegram account immediately. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete my Telegram account immediately. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Then tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. After that, tap on Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and tap on Delete My Account. Here, select the self-destruct period, like 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on your preference. Next, confirm your selection and your account will be set to delete after the chosen period of inactivity. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.